If you still use a matchbox, gas lighter, or even a lighter that runs out of battery, you're still living in the past. Check out this rechargeable electronic 3-arc lighter. The 3-arc lighter is electrically driven and works in a process that involves electricity jumping between 3 sets of electrodes and producing 3 dazzling electric arcs, causing the air between them to become ionized. The lighter runs on a rechargeable 450 mAh battery. This means you could use one lighter forever without having to throw it out. And 3 arcs of flame is as powerful as they come because it is the only 3-arc lighter in the world. It's also a universal cable for your lighter that can sit pretty on your dining table after lighting up dinner candles or birthday candles. If you hide your matchbox or lighters previously because they're ugly, you're going to be delighted with this zinc alloy plated lighter. The product also comes with a brush to clean the lighter. In 1.5 to 2 hours, you can charge the 3-arc lighter to its full capacity. You never worry about gas finishing or matchbox soaking up water. Best part? It's super affordable for all its capability.